The living and dining area is also L-shaped, comes with two opposite placed granite slabs. The master bedroom has been made really spacious and because Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guarantee. Unlike other real estate portals, जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक enquiry और आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers, at Housey हम आपका contact करवाते हैं सीधे developer के साथ, and that is what is actually ease of home buying. Well, other than that, what else do we do is something that I'm going to talk to you about. लेकिन इस वक्त मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ by Glorious Group Tathastu, and this project is located in Rawet, and I'm going to show you their beautiful 3 BHK apartment जो कि है 1181 square feet. Stay tuned with me. Let's go and see the sample flat. And here we are inside the beautiful and lavish 3 BHK apartment. At the entrance, they have provided us with a video door phone for safety and security, and along with that also a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numeric lock, a digital key and also a physical key. Now right over here at the entrance, if you can see, the house doesn't enter in this pattern. In fact, it's an L-shaped entrance so that the privacy of your home is very well maintained. Here you can have your storage units or shoe racks, and through this lobby, we enter into this grand living and dining area. The living and dining area is also L-shaped, and this over here is the balcony. The balcony's width has been maintained as good as your living room, and it comes with a sliding door. The balcony flooring is anti-skid with and it is also covered from 3 sides. The ceiling, if you notice, is a wooden finished ceiling, and there is a pretty good heightened toughened glass railing right over there. Now let's take a look at the dining and the kitchen. Why am I saying that? Because it has been almost clubbed together with an almost open kitchen. Let's come and take a look at it. Here is the dining, and pretty well accessible is the kitchen right over here, which comes with two opposite placed granite slabs that can be for your service and for the kitchen area. Now they've also provided with a very big sink over here, stainless steel, and this is your enclosed dry balcony area, which comes with a tile drop to maintain the difference between dry and wet areas, and also there is a pretty big window so that there can be good ventilation and good lighting in the kitchen. Now, one thing that I liked about the house is that unlike other places where all the bedrooms are clustered in one area, over here they have provided the wash basin right behind the dining area, and one of the bedrooms is over here. So the wash basin and the common toilet and wash is right over here, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings, and on the top there is good provision for your solar heaters and water heaters. This over here is the guest bedroom, and even this one has an attached toilet and wash right over here, which comes with the same fittings like the ones that we saw in the common toilet and wash. Now this guest bedroom also comes with a very cute balcony right over here. It opens with sliding doors, and it is also covered from 3 sides. It also comes with a toughened glass railing. And now let's proceed towards the rest of the bedrooms. Now, as I have absolutely loved the dining and the kitchen access, I'm going to stand right over here and I'm going to talk to you a little about Housey. Well, Housey, as I told you earlier, is India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं developers. लेकिन उसके अलावा और क्या? उसके अलावा और बहुत कुछ, जैसे कि sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, pros and cons, actual location tours, project overview videos, and also an e-brochure with all-inclusive pricing with the EMI down payment details also. अब ये सब कहाँ मिलेगा? बहुत सिंपल है. यहाँ पे नीचे एक लिंक मेंशन की हुई है जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक ताकि आप कर सके ई-ब्रोशर डाउनलोड और आप कर सके आपका प्रोजेक्ट साइट विजिट भी बुक, जिसके बाद एक डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर आपको लेकर आएंगे प्रोजेक्ट पर और सारे के सारे डिटेल्स बताएंगे, और ये सब कुछ होगा absolutely brokerage free. Well, isn't it amazing? Quickly go and register yourself on Housey because it is just one click away. And also let's go and check out the bedrooms right over here. Now this is the kids' bedroom that comes with a really big window and half of it is a fixed one, and half of it is a sliding one that comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net also. Now let's proceed towards the master bedroom. The master bedroom has been made really spacious, and because of the window and the balcony, it actually appears even more bigger because there is amazing ventilation and also the perfect lighting that you require. First of all, let's check out the attached toilet and bath. And the balcony. The balcony over here comes covered from the top with a wooden finished ceiling and also with a wall on one side. And there is also a toughened glass railing that has been provided, and do not miss out on the flooring, which is an anti-skid flooring. Well, now that you have seen this property, I'm sure you want to very quickly book your property site visit. Do that by clicking on the link below and registering yourself on Housey. Stay tuned for more. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Tathastu located in Raved, Pune by Glorious Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.